So we're going to be talking about insectivores. Insectivores eat insects. Insects are, of course, small, reasonably small. And we're talking about like beetles or flying insects of any type. It depends on what the organism is. In some cases, like the anteater, it's ants. All right, so they're eating. In this case, they're eating insect material. Insects, because they're small, don't really require a lot of heavy teeth. If you look at the bat, and this would require looking at it fairly close, they have a lot of little pointy teeth. All right, and so that is for grabbing perhaps a flying insect, and like a moth or something like that, which is kind of soft on in terms of the body, and then of course it has the wings and so forth that it would have to chomp down. All right, so they're like most of the teeth are evenly pointy and sort of hard to tell apart. If you look at a mole, it's similar. The teeth actually are all very pointy. Also, in this case, moles eat grubs, which are just insect larvae that are found in the soil. So they're going to be digging through the soil and grabbing those insect larvae, which are kind of, juicy. So they don't really need very heavy teeth. Again, just a lot of pointy teeth to like get through that juicy material. They also eat plant material like roots and things like that. And they usually break those up with their front hands or front appendages that helps break them apart, and then they'll just chomp down on some of the material. Mostly, though, they eat insects. Anteaters, completely modified, right? All of the teeth have been fused into one long tube, the teeth and the jaw. You can see parts of what would be a jaw, but they do not articulate, meaning they don't come apart. And they make a funnel, basically, or a tube for sucking up ants. And literally, it'll dig on an ant hill and suck those ants right on up. And that's how it would eat.